Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to give you a short demo on how to use the advanced dynamic stamp with drop-down functionality and auto-populate fields. So let's get started. First, we will select the stamp from the stamp option on the right hand side. Drop down the stamp list and select the stamp. Now, once you click on the document, the dialog window will pop up and allow the user to interact with these fields. So, we have 4 fields in this window, and as you can see, these fields are already filled with data. We will discuss them later. Our first field is a drop-down list, where the user can select their desired option from the list. Now, the second field is the by field. In this field, as you can see, the data automatically populates with your current PC name or user login name. To identify this, we can check our login name from the Start menu and see that the same name is showing in the Dialog window. I made this field editable, so if the user wants to make any changes, they can. The next field is the Date field, which automatically detects the current date directly from your system. This field is also editable in case you need to make changes to the date. The last field is a free text form field where we can add any text. Once you've completed entering the data, click on the OK button and your stamp will show your entered data. Here, you can see the stamp is applied to your PDF document. Let's do it one more time. One thing I want to show you is that some users might not have their name as their login name. To change this, go to Edit at the top toolbar, select Preferences and click on Identity. Here, you can see your current login name. In the name field below, you can simply add the name you want to appear in your dialog window. For example, if I add this name and click OK, let's see which name appears in the By field. See, now it's showing the new name we added in the name field. This way, you can auto-populate your name using the identity name field. If you want to create a similar stamp or are looking for a custom dynamic stamp, just leave a comment down below or contact me privately. That's it for today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.